10 ways to use credit to make money. No one is a stranger to the term credit card debt. After all, most of us have been in that position at least once. We have heard horror stories of how people lost everything due to the mountains of debt they had accumulated. Well, the good news is, if you play it smart, then instead of accumulating debt, you might actually end up making money. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to tell you 10 ways by which you can use credit to make money. So let's begin. Number 10. Get cash back credit cards. Get a card that pays you to shop if you want to earn money with credit cards. Such cards are called cash back credit cards. You may be eligible to receive 1% or even 5% in cash back incentives for specific transactions, depending on the type of card you use. For instance, consider the Discover It card. With this credit card, you can receive 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in quarterly expenditures in a variety of rotating categories, including gas stations, restaurants, and more. Therefore, if you spend $1,500 on qualified products, you'll receive $75 in cash back. Additionally, you receive an unlimited 1% cash back on all other transactions in addition to the 5% cash back. A unique benefit of this card is that Discover will double all cash rewards if you receive in the first year dollar for dollar. This benefit can quickly mount up. The more often you use a credit card with cash back, the more money you can make. But be cautious. To prevent accruing credit card debt and paying exorbitant interest rates, pay off your credit card balance in full each month. The cashback benefits might not be worthwhile if you accumulate too much debt. Number 9. Invest your cashback rewards. Simply transfer the money into an investing account, such as a tax-free savings account or TFSA, or registered retirement savings plan, if your cashback points appear in your bank account or RRSP. Yes, that totally blew my head. Free money that also generates more free money is the only alternative to free money. Your options for receiving all of those cashback benefits are a credit to your card or a cash transfer into an associated bank account. As an illustration, Tangerine transfers cashback benefits from their credit card into an associated Tangerine bank account of their clients. Some will process a deposit into the credit card itself, while others will not. To start making money, apply for the Tangerine Money Back credit card right away. 10% cash back is now being offered on $1,000 in credit card purchases made within the first 2 months of signing up, but only for a little while. Move that money to your Questrade or Wealthsimple account to purchase equities if you're a more active investor. Nothing to worry about if it is charged to your card as a credit. To exhaust that credit, use your card for the following few pre-planned transactions, such as groceries or your phone bill. Then transfer the money from your shopping budget that you would have otherwise spent to your preferred investing site. Number 8. Use 0% purchase APR. There are many introductory rates beginning at 0% that are only available for balance transfers. On the other hand, an introductory annual percentage rate or APR of 0% is provided by some credit cards for purchases. During the time period covered by the deal, this implies that the interest rate on any purchases you make will be set at 0%. If you need to make a large purchase, such as buying new furniture, receiving medical treatment, or going on vacation, utilizing a credit card that has an annual percentage rate or APR of 0% will enable you to make any payments without being subject to interest charges on the balance of the transaction. Number 7. Shop on retail cardholder discount days. It's possible that you're throwing away money because of the high interest rates and limited use of retail credit cards if they're the only credit cards that you have in your wallet. On the other hand, even if you only use retail cards periodically, you can still benefit from the rewards programs those cards offer. Cardholders are frequently entitled to privileges like special discount days when they use their cards. If you want to find out if your retail credit card offers any special cardholder discount days, you may either look through your rewards program or phone the card issuer. Also keep in mind that you should only sign up for retail cards at establishments that you already purchase on a regular basis. Number 6. Take advantage of sign-up bonuses. If you have good credit and seldom carry a balance, you might look into signing up for accounts that provide substantial sign-up bonuses. Make sure, however, that the kind of rewards you receive are in line with your spending patterns, lifestyle, and the activities you enjoy doing. If a card offers a phenomenal discount on something that you find valuable, you should absolutely get it. Sign up, get yours. However, pay careful attention to the supplementary materials. There are frequent stipulations linked to the promotion, such as get up to $300 in cash back benefits when you spend $2,500 in the first 3 months of your card membership. That indicates that you need to spend $2,500 in specified spending categories over the course of 3 months in order to get that money. Check to see if that is compatible with your financial plan and your typical spending patterns. Also, make sure you won't have any trouble paying off the balance completely. Also, make sure that the stores who sell the items that fall inside the aforementioned spending categories actually accept the card. Number 5. Pay no foreign transaction fees. When you make purchases using other currencies, the majority of credit cards impose a foreign transaction fee, which is typically 3% of the total transaction amount. These costs might pile up rapidly if you visit abroad. However, some cards don't charge for foreign transactions. A card with this feature can help you save a lot of money if you frequently travel abroad. Number 4. Earn more credit card rewards with supplementary card. If you're serious about leveling up, consider purchasing a supplementary card for a spouse, close friend, or even a child within reason. Just be sure to pick someone you can rely on. They'll get their own card and be allowed to shop, but the account is in your name, and you're totally in charge of paying everything. After all, 2 are preferable to 1. You may completely take advantage of all the incentives that card has to offer if you can double your spending. Make sure you and your partner agree on the budget, where and how you spend your money, and which cashback applications to utilize. Number 3. Get paid to refer your friends. For any business, word-of-mouth recommendations are the best form of advertisement. If you adore your cashback credit card, you should make money from it. When you recommend a friend, several credit cards give you additional cashback advantages. Simply share your unique referral link with all your credit card friends. You'll both receive additional benefits if one of your friends signs up using your referral code. Number 2. Pay off debt. Stop making interest payments as soon as possible if you want to have any chance of becoming a true credit card hacking master. If you carry a balance from 1 month to the next, you won't generate any profit for yourself. The interest payments that you have to make will completely nullify any advantages you have made financially. If anyone tells you that having a balance increases your credit score, then you should really consider changing the people who give you financial advice. Number 1. Do online shopping. Some credit cards allow you to earn cash back or points when you shop online as a perk. To get these discounts and benefit from the offers, you might need to connect to your credit card account. For instance, when using Discover Deals to shop, qualifying Discover cardholders can receive additional cash back. This includes receiving 5% cash back from online stores like Living Social, Apple, Walmart, and others. Additionally, they may receive savings on future purchases or gift cards, such as $25 Sam's Club gift cards. The shopping platforms of other credit card providers are comparable. Read the terms and conditions and thoroughly comprehend how the program operates before using any shopping platform. So that's all the time we had for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and to hit the bell icon to remain updated about all our future videos. See you all next time.